Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. So my son just called me and he caught his first coho salmon fishing. He's going all weekend. I'm very excited for him. And he caught a coho salmon on 9-3. It was 15 pounds. I'll have to measure the length when it comes home. He didn't realize he had to get the length and they didn't have anything with him to measure the length. But it was just a small one. It was only 15 pounds. But I am entering it for him in the Shed Wars Fishing Rodeo. So I don't think anybody else has caught a coho salmon. So there you go. That is our Shed Wars Fishing Rodeo entry. Be sure to check out this next video we've selected for you. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, Rebel Canners.